Technology and security, the development of smart security devices. As technology continues to evolve, so too does the field of security. Smart security devices are becoming increasingly popular as people look for ways to enhance their safety and protect their property. In this article, we will explore the development of smart security devices and how they are changing the way we think about security. Smart cameras. Smart cameras are one of the most popular types of smart security devices. These cameras can detect motion and send alerts to the user's smartphone when they detect activity. Some smart cameras also have facial recognition technology, which can help identify potential intruders. Many smart cameras also have two-way communication, allowing users to talk to people who are in or around their property. Smart locks. Smart locks are another popular type of smart security device. These locks can be controlled remotely via a smartphone app, allowing users to lock and unlock their doors from anywhere. Some smart locks also have keyless entry, using biometric technology to recognize fingerprints or facial recognition to unlock the door. This technology can be particularly helpful for people who frequently forget their keys or need to grant access to others. Smart alarms. Smart alarms are becoming increasingly popular as well. These alarms can detect motion, smoke, and other potential threats and send alerts to the user's smartphone. Some smart alarms also have two-way communication, allowing users to talk to potential intruders and deter them from entering the property. Smart alarms can also be integrated with other smart security devices, such as smart cameras and smart locks, to provide a more comprehensive security system. Smart sensors. Smart sensors are another type of smart security device that is becoming more popular. These sensors can detect changes in temperature, humidity, and other environmental factors that may indicate a potential threat. Some smart sensors also have motion detection capabilities, allowing them to detect movement and send alerts to the user's smartphone. Smart sensors can be particularly helpful for detecting potential problems, such as water leaks or fires, before they become serious. Conclusion. In conclusion, smart security devices are changing the way we think about security. From smart cameras and locks to smart alarms and sensors, there are many new technologies that are making it easier for people to protect their property and enhance their safety. As technology continues to evolve, we can expect to see even more innovations in the field of smart security. Making it easier and more convenient for people to keep themselves and their property safe. Smart home hubs. Smart home hubs are becoming more popular as people look for ways to integrate their smart security devices with other smart home devices. Smart home hubs can control multiple devices, such as smart cameras, locks, and sensors, from a single app. This technology can make it easier for users to monitor and control their smart security